So, I'm just have a money worth 1K, but I need the 3K to buy the haze because I want it. So, I equip Ninja because that is the only one I can afford. And my cousin is the Merd. Oh my gosh! My cousin has a hitbox. Yo! Alright. So, the murderer is my cousin. Alright. The last person is in the blue one. Oh, he's not the last person. The last person is in the blue one. Here. Magkasama kami, guys. May Among Us ako. Oh, doon na. He's in the van. Palabas na sa blue. Here, be. Alright, palabas na siya. Palabas. He's the last person. Your aim. Bruh. That's, guys, if you play, guys, if I play MM2, if I'm innocent or sheriff, I don't equip the flaming knife because if I hide, they will see me because I have an effect. And also, if I get hurt, yeah, I'm gonna equip the flaming knife now. So here is my cousin. The blinking ones. Hi! Yes, let's hi to her also. Speak! Ate Louie, speak ka. Here. She is here. Alright, let's start. By the way, guys, we can say a row, but I can see her face and I was going to judge her. We're Filipino, so that's why, But I am so sorry for my laugh a while ago when we played together. When we played together in Roblox. Ay, hindi ko masyadong marinig yung volume nung nasa game to yung nagpi-video ako. Targeter. Ate. Wow! Doon na! Doon na. Guys, did you see the Merd? The bean. My favorite games Among Us. Alright, let's see guys if we have coins there. Tayo hinaano yan. Guys, sorry for the back song if it has a song named Happy Birthday. It's much easier if I have a microphone habang nagpe-play ako. Nakakatakot maglaro ng Roblox. Why? Guys, I will maybe later, I don't think na mag-live si Ate Louise. Oh. Minecraft? Can you play Among Us? Oh.
Ayoko kasi na hindi marunong maglaro ng Among Us.
Oh, I get it.
Yung feeling marunong maglaro ng Among Us.
I'm gonna copy that avatar, guys.
Mag-ikot tayo nga.
Ha?
Mag-ikot.
I do not yung kawaii? Okay.
Kawaii.
Guys, I'm gonna give you how to make that. No. I'm gonna give you some tutorial how to make this girl's avatar. So I'm gonna save that. I think my cousin is a sheriff, guys.
No.
Cause I saw her screen, it's blue.
No.
Oh, so it means that you're married?
No.
Later. Yo guys, we ate that one. Okay guys, bye bye. Thank you for watching.